Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Ibrahim bin Amri and my metric number is A178208. So for today's video, I would like to demonstrate the D flip-flops, which is IC7474. So based on the lab manual, I was required to focus the result when D is equal to 1. So in the truth table, okay, when our clock is 0 and our D is our initial input, I mean our input is 1. So let's see what will happen next. Right, so how I move 2 steps forward, okay, so move 2 steps forward, so you can see that, okay, so when I insert D equal to 1, so we can see that the input 1, so our value output is become 0. Okay, so next when our clock is 1, so let's see what will happen when our clock is 1. Okay, when our clock is 1, right, so I'm sorry, I changed it. So when our clock is 1, okay, when our clock is 1, so I insert the value D equal to 1, so the output will become, and still the same, our output will become 0. Okay, so next is when our clock is 0 to 1, so means it was a rising edge at 1. Okay, let's see what will happen. So when our rising edge, okay, two step forward, where I reset again. So let's move two step forward. Okay, let's see here. So when our clock is 0, okay, then I change it into 1, and our and go to rising edge, move to rising edge, and we can see that our output is 1, means our initial 0 become 1 in our output. So next is falling edge, which means that 1, if from 1, the clock 1 to clock 0, and the input is 1. Okay, let's see what will happen. So like how about I step again. Okay, I move 1, 2, 3 step forward. Okay, how about I step from here? Yeah, sorry, how about I step from here? Okay, so 1 right, okay, from 1, so I change it into 1. So and go to negative value, so we can see that our initial 0 is the output is 0. Okay, next is when the initial is 1, right? So the initial is 1, so usually we do not do anything, because at last we will get the same result, because at the output of T, it will not change anything in during the clock. Whenever the phase is whether in negative level or in positive level, in a rising edge or falling edge, because we will obtain the same result. So for example, let's see what will happen. Yeah, so I change 0 and set it. Okay, so I move 2 steps forward. Okay, then I say, so I change it to 1. Okay, so you can see that when 1, the LED is still blinking up and never close, so it means that the value is remain the same. So I think that's all for me. So thank you for listening, doctor, and my friends. Bye bye.